છે દેખીએ તો ખાલી. Are you ready for giving me the answers?
Yes.
My first question is good communication necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. Good communication helps us explain our idea easily. It saves time and makes talks clear.
Very nice. So, according to you, how can we develop our communication skills?
We can improve by speaking and reading more. Speaking and reading help us explain our idea easily. It makes me talk clearly and it makes confidence clearly.
Now I'm changing the subject. My question is, do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties. Parties help me meet new my friend and I go to many parties like reception parties, birthday party, farewell parties, and I talk to my new friends and meet my new friends.
Very nice. So, which type of parties do you not want to go to, or do you not like to go to?
I don't like boring parties. I don't go to parties where there is no music or dance. I don't like parties where drinking.
Very nice. And my next question, when you are free, when you have spare time, what do you like to do?
In my spare time, I like to watch a movie and I like to go to watch a movie and a restaurant. In my free time, I meet my new friends. I meet my friends and I play some games.
Very nice. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Which type of programs do you like to watch?
I like to watch Laughter Chef. It is a comedy show. It makes me laugh and feel happy.
Very nice. Very nice. Do you like TV is useful for us?
Yes, TV is very useful for us. The older man can watch a religious show, and housewives can cook recipes and learn new recipes, and we can knew about and we can watch news, so we can knew about around us.
My next question, how long do you spend in watching TV daily?
I watch TV. I daily watch TV 1 or 2 hours, and it is enough. It is enough, and because watching TV is not good for health.
Very nice. And my last question for today, do you like sports?
Yes, I almost like sports. I like to play many games like football, kabaddi, kho, skating, and watch sports in TV.
Very nice. Thank you for giving me the answers. Thank you.